Hello again, everybody. Welcome back for today's puzzle. We are just continuing along. So it looks like we're on puzzle 39 today. So let's take a look here. Let's start with this column. Looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6. And we don't have any help anywhere. So we'll put in our placeholders. How about this box? 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4, 8, and 9. No help here. 4, 8, 9. No help here. 4, 8, 9. We've got an 8 here. So 4 and 9. If we do this row, looks like we're missing a 3, a 7, and a 9. We've got a 7 here and a 9 there. So this is our 3. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. If we work on this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 4. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 4. And 4 here, so 1 or 2. We look at this box, looks like we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 7. There's a 1 there, so 3 or 7, a 3 here, and a 7 there. So this is our 1. And then no help here again, so also a 3 or a 7. All right, let's work on this box some more. So it looks like we're missing a 1, a 2, a 6, and a 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 2, or 6. No help here. 1, 2, 6, 9. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 2, or 9. We work on this box. Looks like we're missing the 2, 4, 6, 7. We've got a 2 here and a 4 here. So 6 or 7. 2 here. 4, 6, 7. And no help here. So 2, 4, 6, 7. In this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. There's a 1 here and a 6, so 2, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. And here we've got a 2 and a 6, so 1 or 7. I don't know, guys, this one's not looking too good. Let's keep going though. Up, we got that 1 there. So that makes this our 4. So this is our 2 and our 1. Does that do us much help? Let's see. Because of that 4 there, it can't be there or there. And because of that 2, that can't be there. And here we've got the 1, so it can't be there or there. So if we go back and look at this box, the only place our 4 can be is here. And it looks like the only place in this row for our 1 is here, which makes this our 7. So we can get rid of this 1, the 7, the 7, the 7. And then also that 7 makes this our 2. This is our 3 and 7. So that 2 makes this our 6 and our 2. So that's our 9. And now we've got a 2 and a 6 here. So this can only, well, so that 6 makes this a 7, which means this has to be our 1. This 2 means this has to be our 6. That means this has to be our 4. So if we look back here, the only thing we're missing in that column now is a 2, and that makes this a 6. All right, I'm feeling a little bit better now. All right, so let's work on this row. It looks like we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9 and 1. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6 and 9, and we don't have any help. For this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 there. So this is our 4, this is our 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 8 and 2. If we work on this row, it looks like we're missing our 1 and an 8. We've got a 1 here. So 8 and 1. That 8 makes this our 9. And this our 8. So if we work on this column, 1, 2, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 there, so 4 or 6. We've got a 6 here and a 3 here. So this is our 4, this is our 6, this is our 3. That 6 makes this 9 and this 6. So then this row looks like we're missing a 3 and a 9. We've got a 9 here. So 3, 9. Finish out this box. We're missing a 4 and a 7. We've got a 4 here. So 7, 4. This column looks like we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 2, 7. This box, 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 there, so 5 and 8. All right, that one turned out better than I thought it was going to there for a minute. Well, thank you for joining me again for today's puzzle. Please do like, subscribe, hit that reminder bell. It does help the channel out. And join us again tomorrow for our next puzzle.